Yeah. You want to talk?
This is Laura playing with her great grand. We've just come home from the zoo. She went to the Central Florida Zoo today with Mommy and Daddy.
You want to get it? You want to get it? Go get it. I bet she's ready to get bottom tea. Yes, you are. Yeah. Yes, you are. I can tell the way you're acting. Yes, you are. Go get your turkeys. Yeah. Good girl. That's lovely though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, feels so good.
Should we move the stool?
Hmm?
Stool.
Want to get some from your angle?
Yeah. Are you want to come over here? Just,
Pardon?
I was asking Adam if he wants to come over here. Should we place this?
Did you sleeping here?
Woo! I didn't know that did that.
Yeah. And this is the hyacinth macaw that we got at the Central Florida Zoo. It's Mora's souvenir. Her first visit to the zoo.
Mom's your commentating, huh? Yeah. Sounds good. Oh. Well, we better get the other doggy dog, huh? Look.
Kicked it?
Doesn't make it trouble. She's a dog.
She's about 4 months old. In 2 days.
Don't tell her old I'm going to be.
Brand's about to be
I want to come
older than
backwards.
Mora in 3 days.
Oh. It's that grow but never grow up.
Do you want something?
As long as she can mind that, that's great. She likes it. Stretching out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little exercise.
Girl, gotta stretch her.
Uh-oh.
Don't get that on the table. That's why you were crying.
I was crying because I was on the table wrong.
Yeah, it's something about left-handed and right-handed or something. And I put you that way or something, and she put you that way.
She does complain though if she's
Huh?
if she's put this way
Yeah.
and or she's put that way. She likes to be this way.
So to the left,
To the left.
then I go to the
You go to the right.
Yeah, because my left has had the strength in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, it does. It does.
So we're washing her clothes now.
Pardon?
I'm narrating.
I'm going to get out of the picture that
She's
I
in her
am
pea
gonna
pod.
do. Pardon? Excuse me? You all excuse me? You know I can get down, but it's getting up.
Just one out. Hand.
Okay. Don't you dare do
She's a happy baby.
Happy baby.
Be happy. Happy. Happy, happy. Do. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Daddy gonna play with you now? Hmm.
Preferred?
Daddy, your head.
Like your shirt?
Hello, beautiful.
Butterfly? The butterfly is her favorite toy.
Where's the butterfly? I'm so far zoomed in. It's the butterfly.
Oh,
It'll keep her happy in the car seat for hours.
wow. You're so strong. Oh, I
Good
was
job.
Twinkly.
Look at that belly. Look at that belly. So sweet. Those hands. Aww. Mar, are you a good girl? Is a good girl?